What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all you guys that are new subscribers. I really appreciate that. Today we're going to be doing an upgrade on my truck. I've been seeing a lot of people talk about this 2020 4-piston brake upgrade with the 13.5-inch rotor. A lot of people are talking about this on the Facebook groups and such, and they claim that it's a bolt-on upgrade. So today I'm going to be doing it. I came across a Facebook Marketplace deal. I got both rotors, both calipers with fresh pads, some brand new dealer takeoffs. I believe the guy said it had like 50 miles on it, and I believe him because it looks like it. So I picked all this stuff up for 150 bucks, and I couldn't have come at a better time because I have a caliper sticking on my truck. So I picked that stuff up. I ordered some Stop Tech steel braided brake lines, and today we're going to be putting this stuff in. I'll show you how it goes. So this is the stuff I got. These are 2020 calipers. They usually come with like a ridge that sticks out here. So I had them machined flat because supposedly there might be interference with the spokes of the wheels. I got both calipers with fresh chunky pads. Oh, and obviously I painted these, they don't come painted. I got these fresh rotors with the dust shields, all the hardware. This is the part number for the Stop Tech brake lines I ordered. I got this dormant washer kit from the auto parts to use as spacers. And I got a set of wheel spacers just in case I have interference problems with the wheels. I'll at least be able to make it fit. So those dormant washers that I got were the wrong ones. The inner diameter wasn't big enough for the hardware to fit through. So I went to Home Depot, picked these guys up. They were 25 cents a piece. So pretty much you use it as a spacer to get the caliper centered on the rotor. I'm about to tighten all this stuff down and test fit the wheel to see if it'll fit without having to run the wheel spacers I bought. Check out the size difference between these 99 rotors and these 2020 rotors. This is definitely a worthwhile upgrade if you ask me. Stopping power should be greatly improved. All right, so everything's bolted on now. I used that washer for the spacer to space the caliper right. See, I had machined the ridge off the caliper hoping that it would clear my 2017 Z71 wheels, but it still didn't. It actually made a little bit of contact right here, as you can see where it peeled the paint. So if you guys have these same wheels, you could either grind the caliper a little bit there to where it'll clear. What I did was I installed this wheel spacer, and with that little wheel spacer, which I believe is 1/4 inch, everything fit perfect. So I got these steel braided brake lines on. I gotta hook it up here. Then I'm gonna do the other side and bleed the brakes, and that should be it. What's up, guys? All right, so that day that I was installing the brakes, it started raining on us, and we actually ended up finishing it at night, so I didn't get to record when I finished. But we did get the brakes bled, obviously finished up. It's been a couple weeks now. I actually drove the truck to Daytona and back, so pretty much I could give you a review of how I feel that the improvement was. Overall, the truck drives way better with these brakes, but that could also be due to the fact that my previous calipers were having issues and were kind of sticking. But stopping power is greatly improved. Pedal response is greatly improved. I feel that if you could get these parts for a good price, this is a great upgrade that anybody with an NBS truck should be looking into. That's gonna be it for this video. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. If you got any questions regarding this brake swap, don't hesitate to comment. I try my best to respond to everybody. That's gonna be it until the next one. Peace.